This literature kit on The Giver by Lois Lowry encourages students to imagine a future and how different it would be to their present. 55 pages chocked full of before-you-read worksheets for every chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Explain Jonas's mindset when he brought home the apple, an act that is forbidden in this society. Write a journal entry as Jonas, expressing his innermost feelings about what will happen the following day. Write the definitions of vocabulary words from the story. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as writing and posting a review of the novel online. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. View the events of the book from different perspectives and catalog them in a chart. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.